Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope my all friends are doing fine and enjoying their lives. So, my dear friends, this video is going to be very beautiful and useful for you because it is going to give you very beautiful ideas of crochet baskets, or you can say crochet storage bags. These are so beautiful. These can also be called crochet storage boxes. Whatever you say, whatever the name on your side is used for these boxes or bags or baskets. These are so cute. These are so stylish. These look very beautiful, and these surely give you a beautiful and innovative kind of space to keep your things in, because as you know, when we are here at homes, we are constantly searching for the things to organize our things, to arrange the things. For example, let me discuss the makeup persons who are actually the makeup addicts, or the ones who are having a skincare range or cosmetics or so many other things. Even if you are a person who loves to make or actually keep things in the kitchen that are innovative and so useful, then you need these boxes. And if you are a person who loves jewelry, you have to keep your jewelry in these boxes, and it would be very good for you if you organize and make these boxes for you, because these can be washed easily, and you don't have to create those mess around in the house for your things. And sometimes it happens that you are having a huge collection of something. Say for example, you are having a huge collection of lipsticks, and you have or not organized your lipsticks in any storage box or any organizer, and you are going somewhere. You have to uh, do a quick makeup for that event, and you have to be just you have 5 minutes for that. And say for example, the lipstick that you have to wear for that special occasion or that matches your dress is not here, and you actually waste your 5 or 10 minutes searching for that lipstick around the mess that has been created, or out of the huge collection that you are having. It would be difficult for you, and it would be time wasting for you. So if you are having an organizer, if you are having a storage box, if you have organized your things in these storage baskets separately, you would be loving these ideas, because you would be no more wasting your time, and it would be quite easy for you to find the required items in time, and you won't be actually worrying anymore about searching for the things in the home. So another thing, for example, you are having a jewelry, you have some bigger earrings, some small types of tops, and some kind of like pendants and so many other things. You can arrange these things in a basket. You can make organizer like drawers in these baskets. Is totally up to you. If you are a crochet loving person, if you love to create or make new things during your free time, you can take ideas. Look at this picture. It is showing you how you can arrange your bath accessories in the storage boxes or storage baskets. These are looking so cute, and not only these are useful for you, but they actually give you a style and a different kind of look, and everyone who happens to have a look at these things actually appreciates these things. And look at this basket. This is also so cute, and this one can be used as a hanging person, a hanging type of purpose. You can see this one can be used to keep your even like of stationary purposes. You can make these for your kids, to keep your kids collection. And if you are a mommy and you have a baby girl, you can arrange these baskets. You can make these baskets to keep the things separately of your baby girl and your own accessories. So these are the ideas, and these are cute baskets that would look cute, that would be useful. The things that are cute and useful at the same time are actually the things that we need in this life, because style, comfort, and beauty, when come along, look so stylish, and everyone loves to have these kind of things. These are very beautiful ideas. Look at these beautiful boxes. You can use even these boxes to keep fruits, to keep many other things that you want. For example, in your kitchen you are having some mini kind of things, like you love baking and you have so many things to bake the cake, or so many other things that are cake shapers, or create something like designs on your cakes. You can keep these things separately in the boxes, and you would not be wasting any time while searching for these, and it would be quick for you. Because whenever we are in hurry and we want something that is required in a short time, and we keep searching for those things, it becomes so much panic and it doesn't look good and it irritates everyone. So get rid of all these irritation like things and make these storage boxes. You can also use these storage boxes or baskets to keep your books around the bed. If you are a person who loves to do the things, like if you are a person who want to hang plants around your house, you can make the plastic boxes, as well as you can keep those plastic boxes to add more beauty to them in these crochet baskets. And these crochet baskets can also be used to keep the vegetables in and so many other things. Even if you are a crochet lover person, or you are a person who does crochet all the time, you can keep your yarn differently. You can there are so many types of yarn, as you know, so you can separate them and organize them in different kind of storage boxes. There are so many other useful ideas. You can keep your skincare items in these storage boxes, and even you can keep your like pencils and your makeup accessories and you other things that you are having. Even you can make a kind of storage box or an organizer type of a storage basket that can be used to keep your cards or your other important cards that you have to use for shopping, or so many other things, promotion type of cards sometimes we are having. Let me request you, if you are liking these ideas, please hit like. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.